Hey guys, what's up? So this is another little snippet from the Jennifer Howell Volume 2 deposition. So apparently it was known in and around Camp Amber that she didn't need to be a witness in the UK trial. She didn't need to do that. It was all a PR stunt for her. The UK trial was the Amber show, which it was, wasn't it? It was the goddamn Amber show. Take a listen to this. Camille, so when you signed the declaration of July of 2020, I assumed you read it? Jen, yes. Camille, before signing it? Jen, yeah. And not only did I read it before signing it, I was at my parents' house. And as I said, I kept my dad kind of present for everything because truthfully, until this, I didn't know you ever needed an attorney as a witness. So I just had my dad be present and be ears on everything for me. And he drove me before I signed the document, before I agreed to sign the document, before I said to Adam, I was like, I just need a second to think about this because I love Whitney dearly and I'm doing this to kind of save her from herself, but I just need a second to think about it. So he was like, take as long as you want. He and Christy truly could not have been more respectful to me in any way. Neither one of them encouraged or pushed me in any way to do this. And my dad drove me to the Mobile, Alabama airport. And I called Natasha Brooks from the airport and said, that's Whitney's best friend. They met while they worked at the Art of Elysium. And I called Tash and I said, hey, I need you to know something. I'm aware of what's going on in the UK trial. I'm going to give a statement. And she told me in her own words, not me, she came up with these words herself, that Amber had drugged Whitney to the UK to perjure herself on stand and told me that Amber did not even need to be a witness in the UK trial, that she was doing it to hold a press conference for herself, and that it was all about self-promotion. And she tore Whitney away from her baby and husband, having her lie on the stand and said that Whitney was throwing up and losing clumps of hair because she was so stressed out about it. Tash started crying and said, I just don't want Whitney to go to jail. I just don't want Whitney to go to jail. That's the point that I said, Tash, this is a big problem. She's lying in a different country under oath for her sister. This is bad. Tash, I had not signed the declaration. I told Tash that. I said, I've not signed the declaration yet, but the only way she can stop is by coming up with the truth. Like, this is a big deal, or so I thought, to lie under oath. Well, didn't we all think that lying under oath was a pretty big deal until we all saw them do it and nothing happened? Why have the law in place? Why say under penalty of perjury if nothing is going to happen? We see you, and nothing's happening. So why be truthful? Huh? Exactly. So Tash is the reason I signed it. Tash Brooks is the reason I moved forward and signed this, was my conversation with her at the Mobile, Alabama airport. So at the end of the day, there are people that actually know that what she was doing, what she was plotting. There are people who know like every step of the way, and they never spoke up. So my question is, what does she have on these people for them not to speak up? How can you do that to another human being? How can Amber do that to another human being? But the people around her that also knew what she was doing, how do you do that to another human being? Destroy his life, his career, everything, for your own self-interest and your own personal gain and your own PR stunt. It's disgusting. I am absolutely disgusted. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next time.